Hey guys, this is Darren from Truth, and we just wanted to go through a product that's kicking around Amazon at the moment, which is the Polaroid 8-inch mini tripod. A lot of people are tempted for this for their YouTube rigs. You know, setting this basically as the low rig, keeping everything low down on the table when they want to mount it to video stuff. It's pretty bad, the product. Anything that's in these sort of have to cut to open packages, you know it's going to be a terrible product anyway. Polaroid, they went bust when their Insta camera went down, so you know that this is someone's bought the rights to this, or it's in their rejig that this has happened. The only thing going for this product is that it's got metal, so some of the parts are metal, but as you can see, it is so flimsy. It's got one of these ball joints that's not going to last 5 minutes of use. That the only thing that's holding that to come tight is this set screw here, which even now isn't working very well, and this is brand new, and that's all, you know, I haven't put any weight on that, and that's hard to work already. So it's supposed to be an 8-inch unit, and you know, spare all the jokes, but this definitely isn't 8 inches. The unit itself is just coming in at 4.5 inches, and then with these stupid legs pulled out, which you can do here, these pulled out, that fully pulled out is 7 inches in total, and that's them flat. So are they expecting you to have that like that? Because that's not even 7 inches to there. So I'm not quite sure where they're getting their 7 inches from, because when you have this flat, it works out at 6 inches. So Mr. Polaroid or Mr. Chinaman, you are getting that wrong for your package. These legs are as loose as anything. I'm just pushing down on that and you can see it's squidging down. These are just literally just little pistons that are just rubbish. There's nothing locking these in. It's the same as your old radio controlled cars sort of aerial, or old car aerials. That's all these are. There's nothing holding them in. So if you were to put your digital SLR on top of this, your pride and joy, it's not going to hold it very well. If you've got digital SLR, no way. Maybe if you got one of the converters and you put the GoPro or something like that on it, something that doesn't weigh anything, maybe, but other than that, that's trash. So Truth to Those Studios says that item is a heap of junk. Do not buy it, guys. There are a ton of other products definitely on the market that are worth your money. Save your $5.99. Amazon Basics has items from about $12.99, much better made. It's just a piece of rubbish. Where they got 8 inches from, I've no idea, because the legs don't extend to 8 inches. It's just a useless product. So save your money, guys. Hope you like this review. Please do like this review for me. Obviously, we do these for free. It's just to help you guys. So like for me. Thank you very much. Take care.